In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find QuickBooks journal entries. Navigating and efficiently locating these entries is essential for managing your finances and maintaining accurate records. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly and easily find the information you need. Let's dive right in. Your journey begins with a successful login to QuickBooks. Make sure you're logged in so we can smoothly navigate through the system. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice several menu options. Among these, you'll find the Reports tab. Clicking on this opens up a world of reporting options designed to give you a detailed overview of your business's financial standing. After selecting the Reports tab, you'll see it's divided into various sections. For our purposes, we're particularly interested in the Standard tab. This area houses a variety of reports offering standard templates covering all the bases needed by most businesses. Next, we'll focus on the For My Accountants section, which you can find within the Standard tab. The For My Accountants section is like a treasure chest of detailed financial reports specifically tailored for bookkeeping and accounting needs. It's a goldmine for accountants needing to access comprehensive data efficiently. Once you're in this section, keep an eye out for the option labeled Journal. This is the star of today's exploration. By clicking on Journal, you'll unlock a detailed breakdown of all financial transactions entered into your QuickBooks. It showcases a list of all your journal entries, granting you the ability to track down specific transactions and analyze the corresponding entries. This report will provide details such as transaction dates, the accounts affected, and amounts involved, making it an indispensable tool for detailed financial analysis. To navigate through these entries more efficiently, take advantage of the filters available in QuickBooks. These can be customized to display only the most relevant information by setting parameters such as date ranges or account types. This level of customization means you can access the data that matters most without having to sift through unnecessary details. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with these features will boost your efficiency when dealing with financial data. As you become more adept at navigating QuickBooks, you'll find accessing and analyzing journal entries become second nature. Should you ever need to delve deeper into any specific transaction, the details within each journal entry will provide the insight necessary to better understand your business's financial health. As you continue to explore QuickBooks, you'll undoubtedly discover shortcuts and options that make managing your finances even easier. Enhance your proficiency with these tools, and you'll set yourself up for more streamlined and effective business management. In conclusion, the steps we've shared will guide you in effortlessly finding QuickBooks journal entries whenever needed. By ensuring you're logged in, navigating through the Reports tab, locating the standard reports, visiting the For My Accountants section, and finally selecting the Journal option, you're well on your way to mastering your financial records management. These steps are straightforward, yet powerful once you know your way around them. We appreciate your attention today, and we trust that this guide has made you feel more comfortable accessing journal entries in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll better handle your financial reporting and analysis. Thank you for watching, and make sure to explore more tips and tricks to make the most out of your QuickBooks experience. Until next time, happy accounting!